How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram. Hello everybody. If you are having that issue, you may follow up the step. So open up your Instagram app, and once you are there, if you're having that issue, you may close your Instagram and head over to the main settings of your device. Once you are there, you need to go to the option called display, and from display you should be finding brightness option. So all you gotta do is look for this option called adaptive brightness. Tap on it, and what that does is it automatically sets a brightness for yourself depending upon your Instagram mode. For example, if it is dark, it automatically turns it up for lighter version. If it is light, it turns it off for dark. So all you gotta do is simply turn this option off, and once you do and head back to your Instagram, you will be keeping your Instagram brightness neutral depending upon your own preference. So that is how you fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.